Hello friends, welcome back to Coding Style. Today we are creating a responsive navbar for our websites. So let's go. So here I'm already creating a homepage here, and now we want to create a navbar here. This homepage design is in our previous video. Please watch. I'm giving the link in the description. Now we are taking Bootstrap, Bootstrap 4, and taking the get Bootstrap. We can use Bootstrap by two methods, either by downloading the CDN to our project or by directly link to our project. I am taking the CSS link first and going to our here and copy pasting, and now we want to copy this JS link and paste it to under the section. Now I'm searching for navbar in Bootstrap. So this is the navbar. You can see lot of designs here. I'm taking this is the code. We can copy it, and I'm copy paste here. So we can see the navbar here. This is a responsive navbar. We adjust to the maximum size.